Guys, Miguel here with another quick video on how to remove sticker from car, van, truck, etc. I'm going to be using the dewalt DCE 530 heat gun with a 6 amp hour battery. I actually started it already and decided to make a video. So basically I heated up the corners over here. I can actually start on this side and show how to heat up the corners so that you could peel the sticker back easily to get a good start. It's gonna want to come off the side of the van, and if I don't use the heat gun, it's very hard to pull it out. But with the heat gun, you could either heat it from this side or you could heat it from the other side, and it actually just pulls right off. When you heat it from the other side like this, it makes it a little bit more, it actually makes it too, I don't know, too soft or whatever. So I like to heat it up from this side, and then you'd be able to pull it better. So, minute and 40 seconds. Let's heat up this friggin' sticker, get it off, and see how long it will actually take. And it is fairly cold in here right now. It should be like 60 something degrees. So when it does cool down, the sticker is very, what do you call it? It's like stiffer. I can't find the words right now. But pretty much we're just gonna keep going down and pull, heat. And then pull. See, this part right here wasn't heated, so it's kind of hard to pull down. But if you heat it even just for a little bit, you'll be able to pull down the whole section that you heated up. And then want to try to yank out this whole thing in the next pull. See what it does. Got the whole thing off, but it did leave a little bit of a piece right here. And basically that's how I remove stickers with a heat gun.